Maybe if you're alopecia jerk, chicken finger sucking, orangutan, pentagon built looking ass, look under them 3 rolls under your damn stomach, you'll see them damn fries.
Save a little food for the rest of us, fat ass.
Bold talk for someone whose bones sound like Rice Krispies every time they stand up. Snap, crackle, pop, bitch.
Oh.
Bitch, I've been waiting like 20 minutes for some damn chicken.
Of course you're yelling over KFC. I know that hair is fake, too.
What did you just say to me, you fat, trainy ass, fishy pussy ass, no man having ass bitch? Do you need that?
I wouldn't be caught dead wearing that.
You might be caught dead soon anyway, so don't worry about what's on my body, old bitch.
You always trying to clock something, old bitch.
Child, you look, the only thing you need to clock is a gym membership.
I will beat the ashes out of you. Keep playing with me.
Y'all, I just made this homemade cake from scratch.
That cake looks store-bought.
Time to take your ass to the nursing home.
I told them I didn't want mustard.
If you clearly look at the burger with your colorblind, fat, Godzilla-built cinnamon roll, fat-looking self, you will see that is clearly ketchup.
Bitch, where the fuck is my Big Mac?
Maybe if you look under your fucking quadruple chin-ass, XXL planet-sized 9-fat roll-a-piece looking ass, you'll see that it's in there.